days a week, they get that number of casual leaves per year. People had questioned this, saying that sometimes does it not lead to some instability in the workforce as such, but the first word had answered that, saying that if for 5 days during the respective period of time you work efficiently, diligently, then the 2 days break itself gets you rejuvenated and you return back with additional amount of energy back with that enthusiasm. Next slide. International Labour Organization and other international governments expect proper working and sanitation infrastructure. This is very, very important because it has been found that there should be separate toilets for men, for women and LGBT. As far as these communities are concerned in India, for the information of everyone, LGBT rights had got recognition very late as such. Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code had been amended recently, and also the fact that they are also part of the population. And when you think about sanitary dynamics in respective factories, their interests are also supposed to be taken. Proper health safety measures should be provided by employees in hazardous industries. Poor sanitation causes up to 432,000 diarrhea deaths annually and lead to transmission of other diseases like cholera, dysentery, typhoid, hepatitis A, polio. These are from World Health Organization their statistics. Sanitation workers are the people who work in jobs such as cleaning toilets, emptying pits, septic tanks, cleaning sewers and manholes. According to reports of WTO,